I heard there is going to be a coup on the Krusty Krab, which is why we need to be ready for when he attacks. So keep an eye out for any suspicious activities. I will also watch.
I know of a plan that will bring Mr. Krabs down as well as the Krusty Krab. You will never expect it. Finally, they are here.
Look, it's our glorious leader Plankton. Just like you asked, you told me to bring as many men as we could, so here they are.
The plan is simple. Use our brute numbers and take over the Krusty Krab. Now let's take over the Krusty Krab.
1 hour later.
Ah, you and what army, Bug?
What army? What army? Look around you, Krabs!
You planted grass?
Grass?
فوت بيها وعزل مخليها
فوت بيها وعزل